Hi, I'm Dana Charles, owner of D. Charles Hair Studio and brand educator for Wella International here in South Florida. Today's express video is going to show you the express face framing service by Wella. I'm going to show you the partings, talk to you a little bit about free lights that I use for the lightning, and most excitedly, our pure glossing service using Celestone Perfect for shine and instant, saturated, beautiful, rich color. So let's go. As we can see here, this diffused look is soft and subtle, but adds a gorgeous accent to this beautiful, rich chocolate in the back. Just by changing the partings, I can change this from a soft, subtle look to a bold, aggressive statement look. Let's look at the partings. Here we have a mannequin head already parted in the same way that I did the previous that I showed you. I'm starting large zigzag sectioning, dividing the back from behind the ear to the front. The key change you can make to make this a bold look versus a subtle look is changing the zig in the front to what I call a zag towards the back. When I have my zig towards the front, imagine that everything to the forward of the zigzag parting is going to be lightened and then glossed. Everything behind the zigzag parting is going to be deeper with our pure glossing service. So if all of this back here is deeper, when the hair is down, it's going to be laying over this blonde, creating that more diffused look. If I wanted to change it up and have a more bold, aggressive look, I can simply take my forward zigzag and create a backwards zigzag. Making my triangle go this way instead is going to create the maximum lightness around the face and less brown laying over the light front. Pretty cool, right? Our second hint when it comes to partings is, since we're going to be balayaging this look, and of course, you could do this with foils, you could do this from root to end with a global lightening of the front section. The possibilities are endless. But when I'm doing my balayage technique, now I'm taking smaller zigzags within that section, and the more diffused that I feather my lightener toward the top, and the more I saturate toward the ends, will create a bold look with a soft transition. The more lightness I bring all the way up to the top will create a bold look with a more bold transition from front to back. Are your heads starting to turn and think about all the fun things you can do with this? So once I have balayaged and lightened my entire front section, I'm going to go back in to create my beautiful rich chocolates. And I'm doing that with Celestone Perfect, of course. A pure glossing service mixes 1 part of service post-color treatment, 1 part pastel 1.9% or 6 volume developer, which removes a lot of the ammonia out of permanent oxidative color, and I'm using 1 part Celestone Perfect. So I mixed 2 different things together for this beautiful, beautiful head. I mixed 1 part of 4-stroke 7-7. That's a level 4 warm chocolate brown, and 6-stroke 7-4. That's a level 6 warm chocolate brown with just a hint of warm red. I mixed that in equal parts with service and pastel, and glossed everything behind my original zigzag parting. The front, I also did a pure glossing service that's actually going to be toning at the same time, using, again, equal parts, service, post-color conditioner, pastel, 1.9% developer, and equal parts 8-stroke 9-6, that's a level 8 cendré with violet, and an 8-stroke 7, that's a level 8 warm chocolate. We can see that since the levels were within 3 final levels of one another, and I did the soft, subtle transition parting, we have this beautiful chocolate look with more interest than just a single process color. I hope you enjoyed. Check out Wella USA, and Wella Education.